had to put you on a plane for this. You gon' have to say my name for this. Usually I don't do no flying now. Something feel different this time. Something feel different this time. This time, this time, this time.
So this is the end result of my top knot ninja bun. If you want to see how I was able to achieve this bun, then continue watching the video. So I'm starting off with freshly clean and detangled hair. You're going to need a couple products to be able to achieve this bun. You're going to need a rubber band, bobby pins, the gel of your choice. I'm using a mix of Got to Be Glued and Eco Styler, some braiding hair, a scarf, and a hard brush. So what I'm going to start out with is brushing my hair up into a ponytail just to get it going, and then I'm going to add the gel in.
I'm still on the beat. My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her mouth. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run your mouth.
Here to see if you're really down for me. It's been hard up in these streets. I've been blocking out my enemies, yeah. Are you really down for me? Or do you just want the cream? If you wanna play on my team, you gon' have to move like a queen. I got more where you can hold that. They know I come through with that gold pack. Get it so fast they think I stole that. Tonight we gonna get it poppin', please don't hold back.
I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna wrap around twice. So I've attached the braiding hair to my bun. Now I'm going to go in and start wrapping. So I start off by twisting this until it's tight. And now I'm going to start wrapping it slowly around my bun.
Good job, first.
I finished twisting all the pieces, and this is what your bun will look like before you do anything to it. Now from this point you can go and add jewelry, like little hair jewelry like these. You can see them on box braids usually, but I think I'm actually going to leave it plain. I think I'm just going to do my baby hairs, and I'm going to finish that up and I'll be back.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
White J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse. Hi bitch, hi bitch, hi bitch, hi bitch. I do not